Hello, this is Stefano with Stefano's Espresso Care. We've been asked several times what customer can do to add a gauge, a water pressure gauge, to a Rancilio Silvia. We have several optional gauges, and the simple mounting place, or the logical mounting place, is to add a T-fitting to the pump and can be attached to a capillary tube or to some of the gauges that already have a mounted capillary tube. And as I say, we have several gauges options, including the Rancilio one used on commercial machine and the Silvia Pro. However, the consideration and the most difficult part of it is where to mount the gauge. We see machine that will have the gauge here, the gauge on the front plate, the gauge here. I was considering also the possibility of having a mount on the front panel, kind of like where the Rancilio Silvia Pro X has it on the left. However, one consideration without having to drill into the frame and the front plate is to use this style of gauge, mounted like so, again with a capillary tube that reach the fitting. Or another consideration is our portafilter testing gauge with this additional fitting mounted through the frame and in the front between the group head and the steam valve. However, if somebody is thinking of installing a PID control, it will be in the way of the PID control. So, as I say, many possibilities, at least 3, 4, 5 different mounting locations, but at the end of the story is you need to be able to drill through stainless steel plates, casing. Thank you for watching.